Hello everybody. How are you guys doing today? So while I'm on coronavirus lockdown, which I could just really say, welcome to my world, because this is what my life is like all the time, just being on lockdown. Thank you, lupus. But I've got a big glob. Oh, I think it just fell right into my paint. Okay, globs off. Yep, that's it. So today we are going to do a SheleeArt bloom technique. I don't even know if you guys can see that pillow paint. That's weird. It's kind of hard from where I have this set up. Let me see if I can fix that a little to where you can see. There we go. There's the pillow. Now you can see it. Okay, so this is the pillow paint. I just did this course. You want to do a little pillow right in the center. This is absolutely my favorite painting technique right now. And so I just did some other colors, so we're going to keep it along another coaster just like this. This is very thick for the paint. I truly forgot to thin it out from the last one that I did, which I will do after this video, but I'm gonna just leave it thick for now. But this is the color story I did in the previous to do a coaster set. So that is Dioxazine Purple by Liquitex, I believe. And this is a pigment, and I don't know the color because they did not come with colors, but it is like a gorgeous olive green gold color. And this color is pale copper. I did not put the brand, which it's maybe a pigment then. Oh shoot, I just hit the paint. I hope I didn't mess that up by doing this, because I've never done that before. And that may have just messed up this piece of art. And then this is phthalo green, which is like my favorite color. One of my favorite colors. Diox purple and phthalo green are like my two favorite colors to use. And then you're going to put on your cell activator. This is a really big puddle for, I did way too much paint because it's so thick, but we're going to just go ahead and go with this. Now I'm going to blow it out with my little mini blow dryer. I'm trying to get it into the picture, but I don't know why my white is doing this, but I'll try to blow it out a little bit and see if we can get more cells. It's not really putting the cells, like, I think I may need to mix a new one. I don't know why it's doing this, but this is what it looks like right now. Not a lot of purple is showing through, but hopefully after we spin, the purple is going to show through. So what we do is, what I do, I can't use a straw to blow or use my lungs to blow on this because of the lupus. Now I do that when I get to this point. You want to slightly blow on the white because that brings some cells out, but that's literally the most I can blow because of my lungs. And I don't know if you can see it, but little baby cells are coming up. And I don't want to do too much because I don't want You don't want saliva to come out of it, which is what that does. And what we're going to do is we're going to spin this in a second here. I'm going to let the paints in the center come back to the center. It's going to let it rise up, but I'm going to go ahead and spin it now. And what this does, I didn't do a very good spin, is distributes the paint out. This is not a very good spinner, unfortunately, so I'm gonna tilt it, see if I can tilt the paints down just a smidge. Let's see if that one's better. Yeah, that looks a little bit better. I actually kind of like it the way it is. It is very funky and different, which I like. I don't want my blooms to look like everybody else's blooms because they do tend to start looking the same after a while, but I don't want mine to be like that. I want them to be a little bit different. I love the rainbow effect that the colors do, and I like leaving the dark stripes in with the blooms and the negative space, which is the white. So I think I'm going to leave it like that. I'm going to fix this little corner here with some white. Let that go over the edge. Edge here. Make sure you do have to spin off enough paint, which I'm going to probably give it one more spin to see what that does. Okay. Yeah, I don't like it as much with the more spins, but I have to get the paint off or else it will mess up. Let's lift this baby up so you can see what it looks like without. I'm going to touch up the sides here. Make sure all of the tile is covered. This is a 4x4 tile. And looks like it's covered over here. There we go. Now let me bring the camera in. Let me get this paint off my finger and then I'll bring you over and show you guys this from above. This is what this towel looks like. Finished. I do see the purple. I don't know if that's, the purple seems to be breaking down a little bit, but I'm going to have to thin that out, and I'm going to do it with some Liquitex, the liquid golden paints to make it thinner and give it a little bit more depth of color. But there you have it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Thanks for watching.